You've probably been on Facebook and you saw the popular ad of the famous guru driving a Ferrari or a 20-year-old kid with a Camaro. You may think it's all staged, that the car is rented, that the guy made money by taking advantage of people. But the truth is, you know that deep down it's possible. That in fact, there are people all over the world making millions with marketing. Whether you believe it's possible or not, it will not change the results. You can keep thinking the same way, or you can learn exactly what they're doing. Being the marketing director of the largest digital marketing platform in the world, Builderall, and by paying more than $40 million in commissions, I discovered something that shocked me. More than 150,000 users with underwhelming results. And by having access to Builderall's top players and affiliates, I decided to get in touch with them and investigate the funnels and strategies that took them all the way up. My question was, what is it that the top 10 affiliates know that the other 150,000 people don't know? The answer? It's gonna surprise you.